Alright, blessed morning. You don't know, big voice in the building, seen? So anyway, I want to talk about this topic for a long time. You know? I'm just there and meditate and me look on life. And as a Jamaican, you know, this is not only a Jamaican issue, but me see it in my culture. Big. Where people will ignore you when you're sick, but them respect and honor and give homage to you when you're dead. Listen me good. When you're alive and nice and everything good, you have a lot of friends, a lot of family, especially if you have money or a little fame. But when you get sick, how much of them family and friends they round you? How much of them come visit you when you're sick and need help? But when you're dead, you start to see all kind of people that come back now, come pay homage and respect to you when you're dead. And when you're dead, there's no longer. Because when you're dead, you don't know who come visit you. So this diabolical mindset where people will pass or would ignore a person that is sick and in need of help. For example, a person where you know, a friend or a family member or whoever, a person where you know, right? This person gets sick. And then when the person gets sick now and not have the money, the sufficient fund, they need some financial assistance to get some medication, right? Oftentimes than not, them person, they don't have nobody around them to give them nothing. All of the friends them what they used to have, all of the family what them used to have is no longer. Maybe 1 and 2 person will stick around. But when you look on it, and you say, but wait, if the person is sick and needs some help and needs some medication, why not assist that person so the person can get better, so them can get back to them normal way of life? But no, a lot of people wait till then dead. Then the same person that would need a little prescription money, a little assistance. Now the person dead. Now you, as a family member or as a friend, willing to send thousands and thousands of dollars to help with the burial. What a wicked and diabolical mindset that is. And this is not only for Jamaicans. This happen in a lot of culture. But me a Jamaican, so I'm talking about Jamaica. Me see this tons and tons of time. A person, for example, a person sick, and a person just need 100 US. That's like 15,000 Jamaican dollars. Them need 15,000 Jamaican dollars to buy some medication, for help with them ailment, right? And that person will reach out to family members, to friends, to co-workers, whatever, and that person would be rejected, sometimes even bothersome. And people will say, but wait, why this and that and that and this, right? I want me look into it, because I see this over and over, even when years I see them things. I mean, always I wonder why. I mean, nobody gives anybody nothing to put down. So nobody owes you any obligation to give you nothing. Me get that. But the person reach out to a family member or a friend and say them need 15,000, just a little assistance, a little 100 US or 15,000 Jamaican dollar, if you just assist with the medication because them broke down the money. you say you don't have it. But when you hear say that person dead, you send 1,000 US, that is 150,000 Jamaican dollar, to put towards the funeral.
It's me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
You know what I tell me say that is not a wicked and cruel mindset. That is a wicked, barbaric mindset. Because when the person was alive, he only need $15,000. And he couldn't get it. He couldn't get it from nobody. But when him dead, all kind of friends and family are post pictures. R.I.P. He was a good man, he was a good woman. You know, she was so nice, she was so humble. Oh, he was so good, he was so kind, and him dead. R.I.P. We miss you. Gone too soon. Una ras wicked.
You serious?
Them thing it happened to me because it happened personally, because when we look on it, my sister, God rest her soul, she died from 2018 from cancer. Died at 30 or 31 years old. She was very young. God rest her soul, and God bless our kids. You know why I'm sad for her passing? But my heart so happy in my heart. No, say me did it. I was there for her before she got sick, during when she was sick, and after she passed away. She told me something, even though me feel away. I have goosebumps right now. She told me something before she passed away. She said when she was sick, because me I travel back and forth, she told me to bring her wherever me I go. When I was leaving the next day, me tell her me I go leave. Sister, I'm leaving, so you know I'll be back in a couple more months. So just go and hold it, me I come here, you soon get better. She told me, bring me with you. I said, I can't bring you. You know you can't come. She tell me, this is the last time I am going to see her. Bro, that shit break my heart so bad, man. Like, that break my heart, yo. Even today, me feel emotional about it. Just by talking about that. Because that will never leave my memory. She tell me, say, anytime I leave now, me now come back, come see her. That means she got dead. And at the time, I say, wait, why should I say that? But how me deal with her, I was there, yo. And me even blame myself sometimes, say, yo, me shouldn't even leave. But me have to leave because me have to go work for my kids them and pay bills and take care of myself same way. So me have to do what me have to do. So me couldn't stay and me couldn't bring her. So it does show you how appreciate a person when them living. Help them when them living. So when them dead, you not have to be sorry because you was there. You assist. When she go to hospital, when she go deso, me assist. Me make my own remedies for her. And she still passed away. But my heart, please, no. Because I was there. And I was so pissed to see families, friends, strangers that wasn't even there. None at all. Before she did sick, during when she was sick, and after she dead. After she dead, a lot of them come around, yo, and want to come put money towards funeral. That shit pissed me off. Because I say, really? Yo, you never count her, bro. So I want to big up my mother, I want to big up my father, I want to big up my big brother, I want to big up the few family members that was there. Not during the funeral, before. Because there was a few. So I want to big up on yourself, you know yourself, I don't have to call on name, you know yourself. But I have to specifically big up my mother and my father and my big brother. Seeing? And myself. And the few others that were there. Big up our kids. Big up my kids. Big up my baby mother. Them things are rub me the wrong way, yo. Take care of people when you can take care of them. When them dead, at that time, you don't want to come show love and respect and post pictures. Them things they need to stop, yo. Love a man while him living. When him dead, my sister can't get nothing again because she dead. So anybody around who want some assistance, yo, and who can help them, help them. You never know. Only thing some people do, put up RIP because them want likes. I'm full of shit. But big up on yourself still, and we are Jamaican and we are pro Jamaican. Make we just shift the thing and take care of people when them need some help, yo. If we can assist them. Don't wait till them dead. That's all I have to say. Big up on yourself.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.